Minasan, again, konnichiwa po. So this is the example po. Dito na po tayo sa actual na exam po na N5 po. Japanese Language Proficiency Test, N5. Okay, so N5, Kengo Chishiki. So Mojikoi means vocabulary. So sa exam po, this is 25 minutes lang po. No? Kaya kailangan, you will babasahin niyo po yan, you will read that. So there's the instruction for answering this. Fill up your examination registration number and then your name. Okay po? Let's go po sa Monday. Okay? Monday means question number 1. So you can read the example. No? Kono kotoba wa hiragana de do kakimasu ka. So dito po, ipapakita po, of course, so yung kanji na kotoba. So for example, yung kanji na ito, so this is, how can you read this one? For example, oki na eki ga arimasu. So which one? Ichi, ni, san, yon. So isi-shade niyo lang po sa inyo pong kahit Yosi, sa inyo pong answer sheet. So the answer is ichibang, so you can shade a one. Dapat po yung pencil po natin, usually ginagamit nila Mongol, no? So isi-shade niyo po yan. Okay? And then this is the example of mga question. So I will give you this question and then you will choose. Please answer me on my message or message me the best answer. So I show you the question. So and then just answer me what number is the correct answer. Okay? I show you po. Okay po, ito po. Okay? Yan po. So numbers lang po ang sagot. Okay? Sugiwa de sanpo shimasu. Mo ichido kudasai. Chikaku ni arimasu. No? Kono hoteru wa, so ibig sabihin po, again, yung mga nakaline po, so yung sulat po sa hiragana, ano po? Okay po? Yan. Just please read and please send me the answer. Just say 1, 2, or 3, 4 lang po. Okay po? So, bigyan ko lang po kayo ng 1 to 10 and send nyo po sa akin ang inyo pong answer and we will answer it next meeting. Okay po?